Good morning, guys. Let me give you the data you need today before you make any trading decisions on Dogecoin. I have about $30,000. I think we've dipped down just to about $29,000 worth of Dogecoin myself. And so when I do this analysis, I'm doing this for myself. And I think some of you guys would like to see how I'm doing this. Quick update. We just won a bunch of trades this morning for all of our members. We actually just went 15 wins and 0 losses. I'll kind of circle it right here so you guys can see this. 15 wins, 0 losses. This is within our membership. You guys can snag it in the description, or I'll talk about it at the end of the video. But congratulations to everybody who, you guys literally just won 4 trades this morning, and we haven't lost a trade yet this entire year, and we're scalping the market. If you guys love quick in and out entries for 4% profit, we literally have never lost a trade. So get a membership. That's in the description. I'll be honest, it's just $59 a month. Everything's transparent here. Let's dive in. Okay, here's what I need you guys to be looking at. Let's start here. What are retail traders looking at as far as Dogecoin? And that's why I have the trend dashboard up here. The RSI is bullish, the stochastic is bullish, the MACD is bullish, the 50 MA, the 100 MA, the 200 MA is all bullish. So what do we expect retail traders to be doing? Probably not selling, probably adding to their position because they think the price is going to be going up here. And I don't blame this. I actually do agree with them, and I'm showing you guys some more data here. Price versus whale money flow. This is literally going to show you guys what whales are doing with their money. If whales are selling into the market and they're taking money out of the market and the price is going up, you need to know that this cannot be sustained to the upside. This is what we call trapping of retail traders. If you watch money flow out and the price is going up, you guys are going to be trapped, and it is eventually going to move to the downside because it is just true. Where whale money goes, the price is going to follow. Okay, you can even see it over here where you tried to actually come up here once we dropped and we tried to push to a higher high. What happened in that same duration? Money was flowing out of the market, which resulted in a big crash to the downside. I can see behind the charts here because we actually have indicators that can do this now, which is pretty cool thanks to TradingView. So at the end of the video, I'll give you guys access to these if you want. Let's continue this analysis. The trend exhaustion. What is the actual exhaustion of the trend? When it got down here, this told me in this bottom red section that this move down in Dogecoin was exhausted from going down, and it was due for a move up. If any of you guys use this to get into a long trade, you are doing fairly well. If you got in here, you're probably sitting up, at the max about 8% right now, probably about 12% at the peak. So you guys, you could have won a scalping trade just like that using the trend exhaustion. What I see here is that this is getting closer and closer to the top side, but we definitely have more room to move up here. Do you guys see something else? This peak over here, literally follow that line up that I just drew. It's actually right on the top of this candle on the green one where the strong sell is, where it called the drop as well. I'm just showing you guys proof in here. You guys are like, I want to time the markets. I want to make money. Okay, trend exhaustion in the bottom red section, whale money flow low. What is it showing you guys? If you follow what whales are doing, you follow what the trend is doing when it's over exhausted to the downside, this is perfect entries for you guys to get in and either buy more Dogecoin, not financial advice, but I'm just showing this to you guys here, or you can actually scalp the markets, okay? Incredible. Overall, I see that this can actually get more bullish because we see that the whale money flow is pretty low, and we definitely can move up to higher levels like this where we have a lot more room to go. Now, that's the indicators. Let's take a look now at the actual metrics at tradeconfident.io and take a look at what retail traders are doing. The emotional index of retail traders, we are in what's called the anxious section. The anxious and fearful section, you need to understand this is the perfect time to be buying into crypto. Because when people are anxious and fearful, this is usually where people are selling and whales are coming in to buy, and it's shooting the price back up. This is why we purposely say, let me show this to you guys. This is why we say up here that we have historical performance in view. We need to show you guys this stuff is actually calling huge moves in the market. When you see anxiety and fearfulness take over, everyone's selling. Clearly everyone's selling, but you can't be selling, guys. You need to be looking to buy. These are my personal opinions on here, and I'm doing this myself, and I've done very well. We haven't lost a single trade all year, and we're using this type of metrics over here to call these trades. Anxiousness, moving up to neutral section right here. I do see that we have a plenty more room to move to excited or greedy before we potentially see some moves back down. Let's take a look at this. Very, very important. Everyone pays attention to this. Every single morning, these metrics update every morning, Sunday through Friday. The volatility breakout detector. If you want to get into the biggest moves before they happen, you need to look at this indicator. This will show everybody, as well as myself, where low volatility is present in the market. And low volatility will always have high volatility follow it. It is impossible because during low volatility, you trap long traders or short traders. And so right now, let's get back to the charts here. What's happening around these candles right here, let's go back to the charts, is we have low volatility. So a big move is coming in the market. It's either going to go to the upside or the downside. I personally believe if we were going to go to the downside, we would have broken this support right here and would have gone down, but we actually broke to the top side here. So with that, let's come down here. Let's take a look at a little bit more data. What are whale smart money doing? These guys came out here when Elon, came out and plastered the face of a Doge on Twitter logo, it spiked over here. I actually made a pretty decent amount of money over here. I think I did like $5,000 in Doge in profit just with this one little move up, which is pretty awesome. And then I ended up selling and buying back in lower, so I accumulated like a ton more Doge. It was really cool. Anyways, again, using the metrics indicators. Right over here, sell signal. Yeah, you guys could have sold a little bit right there. And as well as the trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. This is where I was looking, and I was able to sell some and then buy some Doge back in here. So I really added a lot more Doge to my holdings, and now I'm making more money as it goes back up. So that's how I did that, just in case you guys want to know. Smart money for Dogecoin here is looking like we're in the short sentiment. So as this is moving up, it makes sense. This usually, what I can see here is that we usually see smart money trying to look to play short trades because of an overextension market. Although this metric value is only sitting at about a negative 300 between 200 and 400. And what I really like to see is between negative 600 to 800 here. So I'm not going to put a ton of weight on this, but we could see a little bit of rejection back down, which we're already seeing on this candle this morning, which these metrics updated at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and we're currently at 11, so this makes sense. They actually held true, the metrics, and we're pulling back down from that area, so we're going to watch that. Give ourselves a few more. Like I said, guys, there's so much data here. You guys can use as much or as little as you want. If we move up, which I think we have a higher chance of moving up, I'm looking for this huge resistance at 9.9. Okay, so 9.9 cents. That is this guy right here. It's not at the Elon Musk high that I'm going to call that. It's over here. So I think we're probably going to see, what is it, about 13%. So let me calculate this out. So I have about $30,000 in Doge. So times this by 13.20%. I'm probably going to see about another $3,900. I'll probably make about $3,900 profit as this comes up here at this level. And then around this area, trend exhaustion is probably going to be high. Well, money flow is probably going to be high. And then that's where I'm probably going to be looking to actually sell some and then buy back in lower and then ride this back up. That's how I do. I do this over and over and over again, guys. Okay, let me show you something else. Long versus short trades. Here's another reason why I'm bullish, just to let you guys know. Look at this right there, and I want you guys to look at this over here. I'm going to do two little boxes for us. Look at the volume spread here. Long trades and short trades. This is tighter. So when short trades are higher in the market, it's putting more pressure on long trades, which it ended up causing the price to go down. What do we see happening over here? The short trades dropped out completely. Like on this move up here, short trades dropped out. Long trades took over. Like I watch this like literally daily, guys, on these metrics. Volume is so much higher right now for long trades, and so the market switched over to long trades. Okay? What I saw this morning is that we saw long trades increase and short trades stay the same, which is why I do believe because of this spread, we have a higher probability. Like, do we not? Like, does this not show everybody that we have a higher probability of moving up versus going down because short trades are actually getting out of the market while long trades are going up? This is why I believe we can stay above this ascending support line and probably try to push up here to about 10 cents again to maybe to look to take some profit. Okay. Daily trade scanner. This is basically our scanner that we use if you guys want to come in and look to take scalping trades. I'm not kidding. This is the best scanner you can use. I'll be honest. This trade calls don't come out often. When you get a buy signal, we will literally give an entry, a buy limit 1, a buy limit 2, and then I teach you guys how to use this entire chart by just clicking this tutorial video right here. This is how we are winning all these trades over here. We're using these same principles, and I'm showing you guys how we're doing it with a tutorial video, and then we call these out for all of our members as well. So nothing at the moment. It's actually a duplicate of this chart over here. So if you guys end up taking any of the buy signals here, you could not have helped but make a ridiculous amount of profit on that move. Anybody who took this buy signal, you guys made a ridiculous amount of profit here. So overall, here's my consensus. I do believe we're going to move up here. If we get to about 10 cents, I'll probably be experiencing about $4,000 worth of profit. I don't know what you're going to be looking at, but around that area, I'm probably going to be looking to take an exit. Get these indicators, trend exhaustion, price versus money flow, and then definitely trend dashboard, top and bottom finder. I'll show you in a second. I'll give you a discount here, but get them set up. And here's how you guys are going to do that. Over on the website, click on indicators. There's a link in the description of this YouTube video. Get the bundle pack first. This will include the trend exhaustion, the price response money flow, and 7 other indicators. Okay. 3,900. We actually have over 3,900 sales here. People use this and it truly does work, guys. I'm showing you and I'm proving this to you. I'm giving my own examples of how much money I've already made, like in Dogecoin. Just this last week, I traded this and I use these indicators to get more. So like it clearly works, and I'm jacked about this. So get the bundle pack first. You'll get all of our indicators here. And then when you purchase this, you will actually get a $400 coupon code off the top and bottom finder. So get the bundle pack first, and right after checkout, you'll get that coupon code, use it on the top and bottom finder. It's actually cheaper to get the bundle pack first and get the $400 coupon code and buy the top and bottom finder than it is to actually just get the top and bottom finder by itself. So we're giving you guys a really good deal on this. Once you've done that, or you can do this first, make sure you guys are subscribing to a membership. We are calling out trade calls. All the trade calls that I talked to you guys about, you can access it right here. Again, look, the whole website is blocked off, just so you guys know. Like, you can't go to anywhere without it being blocked off. Once you guys get a membership, the whole website opens up to you. Future forecasts, where literally 75% of all of our predictions have come true. Probably some of the highest you'll ever see in crypto. I'm very blessed by that. I just came out with one this morning. You guys can watch all those, and we don't release any of this to YouTube. It's just for our members. So there you guys go. Look at the future forecasts I'm calling out. Look at the trade setups we're calling out. Watch the masterclasses. Get in the Telegram channel. Here's our indicators. Look at all the profits. The Morning Brew overview. You guys, oh my gosh, you want to get your mind blown right now? Here, let me just give you guys a sneak peek into this. I probably should keep this private, but let me show this to you. Who else is doing this? Morning Brew Overview. Every morning, we're going to give you guys the top performing coin, the worst performing coin, the most crucial news for that day, every coin that's due for a breakout, every coin in our arsenal that has a buy signal, a strong buy signal, a sell, and a strong sell signal. We're doing this every single day for you guys, Monday through Friday. It's called the Morning Brew Overview, and we use this to make money in the markets, and you guys literally are getting these metrics on the top 20 coins if you guys get a full access membership. So definitely snag that over here. I'll leave links in the description, but I truly think, like, I plan on making about $4,000 on Dogecoin. So what is $59? Like, one move pays for like many years worth of a membership. So we're honestly, in a humble way, we are crushing it over here. And I think you guys are going to love this. Full access membership will give you guys the trade calls, the future forecasts, and everything. If you guys just want to access the metrics for Bitcoin and the top 10 metrics and such like that, and the master classes, feel free to do that. But trade calls are probably what you guys really want as well. So full access, sign up. And then Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to be coming out with a future forecast for you guys. So make sure you guys watch that. All right. Hope you guys love this. A lot of info. This is how I'm making money and how my portfolio is seriously going up. It went up $20,000 yesterday alone in crypto. It went up $20,000 yesterday, and I told that to the members today. So we're using these indicators and metrics, and I think you guys are going to love this. God bless you guys. Everything you need is in the description. Follow for the next video. Get inside that membership, and I'll see you guys next week for a private video just for members. Bye, guys.